Top Wolf here. Here today I'm going to just give a brief rundown of my EDC, my everyday carry. Go over what I carry. So we'll start out with paracord bracelet. Thousands of uses for the paracord. Everybody knows about the paracord bracelet. Good stuff. I have a spring assist pocket knife. Very sharp. Cutting tool. Number one thing you need to have to take with you in any situation. Always good to have a good quality cutting tool. I carry multi-tool. I got a Leatherman Super Tool. Has all the gadgets. This is the original one. I've had this one for about 10 years. Pliers, wire cutters, crimpers, two different kind of knives, serrated and a regular knife. It's got a saw, excellent saw, file, of course your screwdrivers, can opener, along with a measuring device, ways of measuring stuff on the outside. Leatherman Super Tool, carry it every time, everywhere. Being abused it, it's a great tool. Have a mini mag flashlight. Had it for roughly about 8 years. Good stuff to have. Something to see by. In my carabiner kit I have on my side. Start out with on the outside of a waterproof container. I've got duct tape around it. Inside there's waterproof matches. Spare battery for the small mini mag that I have on the carabiner. And I have a small fishing kit inside here as well. Along with that, got a little Swiss Army knife. It's got scissors, a knife. You got your little fingernail file, your tweezers, and your toothpick. Very handy, very nice to have. Not a lot of weight there. I have a whistle with some reflective tape on it for signaling. Nice to have a whistle. And there's my little mini, whatever they call it, torch light. Very nice. Flashlight. Inside here I have cotton balls and some painkillers. Not painkillers, ibuprofen tablets to have. Everybody gets headaches. And a small compass to give me some general direction of where I need to be going. So that's my little carabiner. Always carry with me. Nice to have. Nice addition. A cotton bandana. Multiple uses with your bandanas. As everybody knows, they're nice to have. And with that, I'll end this video. You guys have a super day and be safe out there, and always be prepared. You never know when you might need even a small kit as like the carabiner. Very nice. Just throw a little kit together yourself, do it yourself. Don't cost much. You never know when you might need it. Till next time, be safe.